Hello guys, this is Sarayadav and welcome to Xtreme Coders. Today we are going to make flying cat game in Scratch. So let's start. First of all, we have to select a cat, a flying cat. When we scroll down, here we can see that it's cat flying. Now we have to adjust its size. So I'm taking 50. You can take by your own, and I'm placing it on in middle. Now I'm going to select one background. Here I'm selecting blue sky. Now we want pillars too in this game. So I'm going to paint it here. So I'm making the rectangles. Yeah, a bit more larger. Yeah. Now I'm going to make it at the bottom too. Yeah, like this. And this. Now I'm going to make the bases too here. I think that this is too narrow, so I'm going to make it more thicker. Yeah, here. But there's a problem that it is not. s- It is where the gap is too much. That's why I'm going to reduce the gap. Yeah, I think that this is perfect. Now I'm going to select it from here. Yeah, done. Now let's move to the towards the code section. Here in this sprite, we have to make this glide from here to here. So first of all, we make a initial position. We take a initial position of this pillar here, and first of all, we will start from the flag. When flag clicked, then we have to make it hide because there will be many condition in which it gets shows off in the starting. We don't want that. That's why we will select hide. Now this is its initial position, so we will have to write the initial position. Go to, yeah. Now we have to make it glide. That's why we will use the forever loop because it will be gliding all time forever. Now we have to make it so because after going to its initial position, it will have to show. Now, so I'm choosing so. Uh, Now we have to glide, make it glide from here to here. So we will choose glide, and now I'm going to make the final position too, so that it get updated here. Uh, Glide 1 seconds to this. Now uh, we have to change this here. Uh, I'm looking at this shape. I'm looking at the distance, and this is minus 230. Minus 230. Yeah. Now y will be the same, means 36. Yes. Here you can look. It is too fast, so I'm going to reduce the time. I'm going to make it 3 seconds. Now, now it's. I think that it is um, good for the game. Now then when it come here, it is not hiding and also not going to this side. So first here we will choose hide so that it can get hide from after striking the edge. So here I'm choosing hide. Yeah, like this. Um, then after that it has to go on its after go he has to go it on it the same position from which it start gliding. So I'm going to select go to, yeah, 36 and to 38. Yeah, then now I have chosen glide, sorry, go to, yeah, here 238. Yeah, now look at this, it has come, then again and again. Now I think that this is too simple, so I'm going to make add two pillars. So from here I am going to make its duplicate, and now just we have to change its position, its y position, because uh, I'm going to make it a bit downwards. Now look at this. Mm, in the customs I'm going to make it here. I have made this up a bit more. Yeah, I need to make it more up. Right? Yeah, now done. Here, we can observe that y is changed. So, in the code section, we have to change all the y's from 36 to minus 17. Here to minus 17. Minus 17. Now, enter. Now, here we can look that they both are coming in the same time. So I'm going to reduce the time. So for that I will go to the control section, and now I will choose a wait option. Wait, I'm here. Wait 2 seconds. Yeah. Now look at this. Okay, now it has waited. Yeah, I think that this is right. Yeah. Now I'm going to code the cat. For that, first we have to make uh, we have to start from the flag. For that, we will go to the event section, and this will be the position of the cat at the starting. So we will select that uh, go to uh, go to the position means go to x, and y means this is its position. Then we have to make it so, because maybe there will be any condition when it get hide. So I'm going to use here so. Now we have to make it up and down, and it will be coming down for all the time. That's why I'm using forever loop here. Yeah, forever. Now when we press here, we have to give the condition, and when any key is pressed, then it go up and down. So we will use if then, and when it is not pressed, it has to come down. So we will use else too. Then we have to use if then else statement. Now in this we can choose two of the keys. We can use two keys. So here I am going to operator dash or dash. Now we have to fill it from the sensing that key dash pressed. Here I'm using, sorry, uh, key space pressed or key up arrow pressed, because some gamers like to play with arrow keys. That's why I'm using both. Now we have to make it jump, because in this it is flying, it is gliding, and we have to make it jump. So we have to make our own block named jump. So in my blocks we have to go, and in make a block we have to write jump. Now we have to define jump, that what is jump. how what is the coding of jump. So for jump, first of all, I'm showing you from custom that there are two custom means two figures. First is gliding and second is jumping or flying. So first of all, we have to change its look. Means when we execute jump, its custom will be changed from cat flying A to cat flying B. Now we have to make it upside. So we will choose repeat section. We will go to the repeats. We have to repeat it, and I think that 10 is too much. So we will use 3 now. Now we have to make it upside. So when we go from lower side to upside, here y we use y, and when we go upside, y will be positive. So from motion, I'm going to use change y by 10, and I think that 10 is too much. That's why I will using change y by 4. Now from that, look at this. When I press I have not executed, that's why it is not working. Then we have to switch its custom from cat flying A to cat flying B, cat flying B to cat flying A. So we will use here switch custom to cat flying A. Yeah, now jump is defined here, so we can use the jump block. Here I'm using jump block. Now after that, if we don't press space key or up arrow key, it has to go downwards as we see in the flying cat game. So we are using the same code change y by uh, -3, because it will go too much down. That's why. Uh, now look at this. Yeah, it's working properly. And also, we have to make that when it touch the pillar, the game will get over. I have made a more gap to make the game easier. You can adjust the gap by yourself between pillars. Now, there is a twist in game that when this cat touches these two sprites, the game gets over. Means everything gets stopped. So for that, in forever loop, because anytime when this happen, we have to use the forever loop. Now, from the forever loop, we will choose if condition, if then condition. Here I'm using if then. So here in this sensing, we can find that here touching, but there are two sprites, so we will choose dash or dash. Yeah, here. And from the sensing, touching, touching mouse pointer. Here we will choose sprite one. Then from the touching section, touching sprite 2. Now everything will get stop, so we will be choosing stop all from here. Yeah, now let's see what will happen. Yeah, look at this, everything get stop. Here I'm playing. Here I have touched and everything get stop. Now we can make one more coding that when it touch this side, when it touch here, it get stopped. So for that, we can use edge like if then. After that, yeah, if operators and sensing touching edge, then control and stop all. Now look at this. If it got downwards, look at this. Everything get stopped. Now our game is completed, and the most important thing in game is score. So here we are going to maintain score. For that we have to make one variable of score. From here we can make it. I'm writing score. Yes. Now, first of all, when game starts, um, we have to set the score to 0, and when we go to sprite 1, when this sprite go this side means we have crossed this pillar, then this score will be changed to 1, change by 1. Here on the downward side, uh, we will use change score by 1, and we have to do the same in both. So for that I am using this for both. Yeah, change score by 1 now. Okay, stop it, and look at this. Yeah, our score is also changing, and I'm going. Yeah, I got for 3. And now we can also use the message game over. For that, um, here I'm going to paint one sprite that is game over here. Now I'm using the text option, and from here I will write in the form of pixels here, game over, game over. Yeah, now I'm going to expand it. Sorry. Yeah, this message in the middle, a bit larger. Yeah, now uh, uh, in the code section, yeah, first of all we have to make one broadcast here. First of all, here in the cat flying section we have to broadcast one message. Yeah, if touching edge or this, broadcast message 1. Message 1, in message 1 we can write game over. Yeah, game over. In this we have to do the same, broadcast game over. Yeah, now in this here we have to use when I receive game over. First of all we have to make it hide. From the event section we have to choose this, and its position, go to x this and this, and then we have to make it hide. First we have to make it hide. Yeah, when I receive game over, then it has to be so. So here we are choosing so. Now look at this, game over. Yeah, our game is completed now. uh, Thanks for watching, and I'm going to play it. You can wait. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, look at this. I'm very bad in this. Yeah, I'm very bad in game playing, but good in game developing. Uh, and thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.